Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best omelet, cheesy omelet. Here's some cheese right here. You can see I'm blowing cheese, so we're going to use all that cheese right there. This is a medium cheddar cheese. And I have right here some Italian sausage. This is like one Italian sausage. And these vegetables right here. This is bell pepper. That's a quarter of a bell pepper. That's one medium mushroom. This is green onion. That's like one stalk of green onions. And this is another quarter of red bell pepper. And we're going to have some pico de gallo on there. Here's my pico de gallo right here. I made that. You can check out the other recipe, how to make that homemade. Here's some black pepper. Here's some olive oil, some pink sea salt, and some parsley. And over here, I have 3 eggs. Alright, so let's get to it. It's just that simple, it's easy. We're gonna need one of these. So all we're gonna do here, take our eggs out, crack them, put them in a bowl. Just like that. If you want to use some milk, you can. I'm not going to use any milk in this. I'm just going to whip this up for about a good 2 to 3 minutes. When I get done doing this, I'll show you what we'll be doing next. We should be over there by the stove then. Alright guys, in a minute. Okay guys, I got like a tablespoon of olive oil in there. I'm just going to get me a teaspoon of this butter to go in there with it. You can see it's cooking pretty good here. We don't want it to cook too fast. That's the key to making a perfect omelet. So I'm going to turn it on 2. Alright? So that's what we're going to do. Now, in the restaurant field, what we normally do, we put the vegetables and all that stuff in there first. But in this case, because I want mine a little firmer, I'm not going to do that. Alright? So let's go ahead and drop our eggs up in there. Just like that. Okay, we're going to cook this nice and slow, guys. We don't want to do too much to that. Alright? This. Make sure that oil is at the bottom. I think a lot of people overplay it pretty much. Really simple. And I learned how to do this working at a banquet. So it used to be some high profile people come in. In my town it was, I ain't gonna say because I don't want to get in trouble. But there was some high profile people used to come in. Alright, we're just going to let that cook a little bit longer. And I'll show you guys what, it should be about 2 minutes. Alright, in a minute. Okay guys, I just want to show you this real quick. This is what I normally do. Let that egg go from side to side. Like so. Okay. Take that break and flip. Still kind of loose. gonna keep it flipping the egg. You gotta scoop this like this and then catch it. Okay? That's what they're gonna do. It's not ready though. It's not fine enough. But you can also add your vegetables into this, like right now if you want to. As much as you want. Just really eyeballing it. Don't want to get too carried away. I was gonna make a super big omelet, and I said no, I ain't gonna do all that because I ain't gonna eat all that much of it. So this is what you want to do. Just turn that off for now. Take our meat like that. Spread that about. Take our cheese. Put that in there. Now you can fold it if you want to like that, but I'm gonna show you the trick. So we're just gonna let this sit here till the cheese melts some. Alright, my eye is off, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Cheese melted. That's all you want to do. Take your plate. See that? Then you just flip it. Just like that. Just like that. That's it. Ain't nothing spectacular or hard about it. Alright? Let me get that sauce here. Alright, so I'm going to take you guys over there and set this up. And see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back right here. All you want to do is take your little salt. So you're only using a pinch. Put your little that on top of it. Like that. A little black pepper. You ain't doing too much. Just like that. Take you some PICO De GALLO. Put that on there. Talking about something good, something delicious right here. OMG, not playing with it. And that's it right there, y'all. I'm gonna get some of that stuff in there because this looks good. Take you a little parsley flakes if you want to. You don't really need it. Just sprinkle a little of that on there. There you go, guys. The best cheesy omelet with homemade PICO De GALLO. One-on-one. This is a YouTube recipe from Dogg's Kitchen. Alright, so you gotta give me a like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. And tell all your friends and family to tune in to Dogg's Kitchen, where we be hooking up these recipes. Alright, so I guess I'm finna sign out. And I'll holler at you in a minute.